Hi everyone, I'm going to be talking you through the website builder today. You can see here I've got the website builder open. I'm going to talk you through a few of the areas and then dive into the site settings for this course. So you can see the builder here. Most prominent piece is our preview on the right. So I'm previewing my live website. I can view and interact on this website. Currently showing me the mobile, but I can extend that out to view the desktop, and I can see what my website currently looks like in desktop or mobile. A couple of other things to note as well. I've got the options down here in terms of the themes available for my website. This controls the layout and styling of my website, but not the content. So I can easily change this and select a different theme, save and update that. And you can see that my preview there on the right updates to reflect the new theme. I'm going to jump back to the boxed up theme, save and update that. You can see again, it's updated. So very easy to manage your themes. We'll be introducing new themes as we go for the website. You've also got access to your live URL here once your website's live, so you can click on that. It will open up your website. So the first thing I'm going to jump into for this session is the site settings. So if I jump into site settings, this really controls some site level specific settings, things like SEO and languages rather than any specific content on your site. So the first thing I'm going to do is jump into general. You can see here, I can change the name of the website. This is just specific to the display name, not your brand name. I can set up various languages, and these will be the languages that the customers can pick to view in. You can see here there's a small selector there on the preview for people to be able to change languages. We only support these 5 languages at the moment on the website. We will look to introduce other languages to support in the future. You can add in your Google Analytics and tracking IDs. Very simple, just start typing, hit return, and it will save that ID for you. And that ensures, obviously, if you've got any tracking set up with Facebook or Google, this will flow through. We provide every store with a default SEO meta description. Would absolutely recommend that you go in and change this. This does help with Google search results. Anything you can do in terms of specific phraseology, terms, or even local references in that SEO description will help. You do have a preview here on the right of what that will look like. Similar to that, you can add in keywords. You can add in up to 1,000 keywords. You can see I've got a few examples here. If I want to add in, say, hot food as an example, type it in, hit return, it will add, hit done. Google site and Facebook site verification there. If you have adverts set up with Google or Facebook to ensure that your site's verified, again, there's just an ID that needs to be added, hit return, and it will add it. You can add your social media links in here. So you can see on my preview, I've got Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Just add in the URL to your profile, will automatically then display the icon on your site, and consumers will be able to link through to your profile. For any of those in Ireland and in the future in the UK, you can select to display the return banner. As you can see there, that's displaying in the footer. Really, this is just calling out to your users that you are part of the scheme. If you want to apply that fee to any of your menu items, that's done separately in the portal in the menu editing section. For all our sites, we default to GDPR compliant, and obviously anyone in the EU will need to select this. But if you are outside the EU, you can select non-GDPR compliant. This will just display a different cookies banner for your users when they land. And for anyone that does have custom legal text and links, they can provide this here, and we'll replace the default ones provided here in the footer with whatever is input. And finally, for anyone that does not have a website, but for example, maybe has embedded our online ordering experience, you can select or unselect this option here. This will basically mean that the standard Flipdish website we provide you will return a 404 on search results. So I'd absolutely recommend that anyone that is using the Flipdish website doesn't change this setting. All right, well, that's the first update on settings. Thank you.